The benefits of washing your face with baking soda. The pores on our nose can actually get enlarged due to trapped bacteria and dirt inside. Enlarged pores can ruin your appearance and self-esteem, and there's really no effective treatment you can pay for that works. Furthermore, the trapped dirt and oil in your pores can lead to the appearance of acne and blackheads, causing even bigger problems. In general, people with an oily T-zone are more prone to blackheads and acne. Once the oil and dirt mix inside the pores, they solidify and appear in the form of blackheads that can be pretty difficult to remove. However, you should know that there are some natural remedies that can help. In fact, you only have to use baking soda. It's a versatile ingredient and powerful exfoliator that can remove dead skin cells and dirt from your face and pores and reduce their appearance and size. What you should do is to wash your face with a mild soap first, then mix a bit of baking soda and water in your hand and massage your face in circular motion for half a minute. Rinse with water in the end, and you should already notice the results. The pores should start shrinking, and your face will be getting a nice radiant glow. Why use baking soda on your skin? Baking soda is a mild exfoliator that can clean the oil and dirt from your face and make the skin smoother and softer. The compound can also regulate your skin's pH balance and has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that can prevent acne. Baking soda will absorb the oil from your face and prevent the clogging of your pores, and will make your face look better than ever before. 4.